Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device while connected to Wi-Fi. Tap your profile icon, then choose Manage Apps and Device to continue. Go to the Manage tab and select Not Installed to view removed apps. Find the app, tap Install, and wait for the download to complete. Sign in with the same Google account to restore purchases and subscriptions. Open the app to confirm it works and check permissions if requested. If problems persist, reboot your phone and try installing again after a minute. Open Settings, then go to System and tap Backup to check Android backup status. Ensure backup to Google Drive is on and shows recent backup date and size. Reinstall the app, then open it and choose Restore when the data prompt appears. For Samsung or OEM backups, open the device cloud settings and locate App Restores. If local backups exist on your SD card, use a file manager to copy files to app folders. After data restores, verify app login and permissions to complete the recovery process. If Play Store cannot restore, download the app APK from a trusted source carefully. Enable Install Unknown Apps for your file manager, then install the APK and open the app. Check Google Play Library for previously installed apps and use Install to recover them. Contact the app developer to request data recovery if cloud backups failed to restore. For purchased apps, sign in with the buying account to regain access and updates. Keep your device updated and back up regularly to avoid future permanent data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.